Okay, so there's a change of plan. So I'm not gonna be making the hair extension right now, but I got a purronater, which is my cat, and he's really purry right now. Oh, he's not anymore. Well, I'll just give you what he looks like. Meow. Meow. Yeah. I know, he's not really purred right now. But he was like purred against this, he was wrapped around me, so he just being really purry. A purry kitty, purry kitty, purry kitty, purry kitty. Dun, dun. Oh, sorry. Well, bye, that was a short video, I know. It's not even 5 minutes. So thank you for watching. This is not an ad. This is actually me, Sandra Jacobs and Price. Sandra, Cassie. So thanks. And by the way, my name's Cassie. Bye.